Hey friends, if you wish to fix the blue screen error stop code thread stuck in device driver in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to disconnect peripherals. Okay, now, what do I mean by this? There are peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., which push their own drivers to the system, and that causes a conflict with the existing drivers on the system. Now, if this doesn't help, then simply update all the drivers after updating Windows. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can select this option which says check for updates and make sure that all updates are installed. Then go to advanced options, select optional updates, and if you have any optional updates here, install them too. Once this is done, you can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Okay, and then the next solution will be a clean boot. Why? Because there could be a third party software which is interfering with the processes. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services is checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.